If you're wondering how to use Salesforce for B2B sales, you're in the right place. In this quick Salesforce explanation, I'll show you how to take advantage of Salesforce's powerful features to supercharge your B2B sales process. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Salesforce to streamline your sales workflow and close deals faster. First, let's talk about setting up your Salesforce account for B2B sales. Once you sign up for Salesforce, you can get started for free through the link below with our exclusive bonuses. The first step is to create your account and enter your company information. Make sure to set up your sales pipeline, as this will be the heart of your sales process. You can customize stages like lead, opportunity, and closed one so that you can track deals from start to finish. Next thing, adding contacts and accounts. In B2B sales, it's crucial to organize your contacts, and Salesforce allows you to do just that. Create accounts for each of your business clients, and under these accounts, add individual contacts. These are the people you'll be engaging with. This keeps everything organized and ensures you can always find the right person at the right time. The third thing, managing leads and opportunities. Salesforce helps you capture and qualify leads with its built-in tools. When you're working in B2B sales, the key is to nurture these leads until they turn into real opportunities. Salesforce lets you track these leads across multiple stages and even set automated reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's talk about using Salesforce's automation features. Automation can save you a ton of time. Use workflow rules and process builders to automate tasks like sending follow-up emails or scheduling meetings. This ensures that you stay in touch with your leads without doing the manual work every time, allowing you to focus more on closing deals. The fifth thing, reporting and dashboards. With Salesforce, you can create custom reports to track key sales metrics. Whether it's conversion rates, sales cycle lengths, or deal sizes, you can create real-time dashboards to visualize this data. This is crucial for analyzing your sales performance and making informed decisions to improve your strategies. And the final thing, collaboration. Salesforce is all about working as a team. With Chatter, you can collaborate with your team in real time, sharing notes, updates, and files. It's great for keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring that your entire sales team has the most up-to-date information on your accounts and leads. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to use Salesforce for B2B sales, remember that Salesforce offers a free trial, and you can get access to it right now by clicking the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you can start using the software with extended trial periods, giving you even more time to explore all the features we've mentioned today. I hope this quick Salesforce explanation has helped you understand how to use this powerful software to boost your B2B sales. Make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive offer and dive into Salesforce today.